During the inspection period, we have one of three potential outcomes. A, the inspection was really bad and you need to cancel out, meaning that there's so many repairs that need to be done, it's far beyond your scope of work, and you just don't feel comfortable moving forward. So long as you cancel during that inspection period, you can get that $1,000 earnest money deposit back from the title company, so long as we sign a cancellation release. Two, let's say there's a few repairs that need to be done, but nothing that you can't manage, but you still want to ask for some credits. I usually always recommend asking for seller concessions and credits towards closing costs, as opposed to doing the repairs prior to closing. So that way, once you take possession of the property, you can hire contractors that you know that can come in and do the work that you know that they're reputable. So those are your first two options. Your third option, let's say that this home inspection comes back squeaky clean, everything is perfect. You know that there are some things that fall in that 10% column that you'll want to address, painting, changing out cabinets, whatever else, but you're cool with it.